Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add GIFs to Shopify product page, right? So it's really easy thing to do. You have to just go to your product here. Now click on your product. Now once you're here, so now we have to go to a new website, right? So first of all, let's go to Google here. And in the Google, you have to search for Jiffy, right? And you will get this website, Jiffy, and you can select any of the GIF you want to add, right? So for example, I will like this one, so I will just go and click on it. And here on the share option, you will get this option of embedded. Now click on this and you have to copy this code. Once you have copied that code, just go to your description. Now click on the show HTML. Now you can add it anywhere. For example, I want to add it here. Okay, so there's no some problem. Okay, once you're here, I want to add the second code. Now once you have pasted the code which you copied from here, right, and you have to click on the same way, so GIF and so editor, and here your GIF will be shown. Now once we will save this product here, once everything is done right, once it gets saved, you have to just go and click on preview so that I can show you how it's look, right? And this is how it will look. So this look really interesting. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.